Alam kong wala siyang gagawing kalansahan.
Because he is a good leader, and I believe that because I've seen how he developed to be such, and I know he has what it takes to be the USC counselor.
Si Lance ay maasahan!
Kasi with Lance Estenar, he is one of the most hardworking and dedicated people I know. At sa kanya, siguradong maaasahan mo na magkaroon ng magandang pagbabago sa konseho. Kaya si Lance Estenar ang iboboto ko. If you give Lance a chance, the USC will advance.
Si Lance Estenar kasi lansawang sumasagot sa lahat ng mga tanong namin sa block.
Yeah.
Lance is a really friendly guy and like he can be friends with anyone.
Bakit si Lance? Responsable, aktibo, matalino, at chinito. Ano hahanapin mo?
Lance is my USC counselor because he is masipag, matyaga, and maasahan.
Lance Estenar is my USC counselor because he is one of the most dedicated people I know. He has his eye on the job and he will do anything to achieve that goal. So vote for Lance because he will do anything for you. Ikaw ang star, kaya Lance Estenar, like me. Yay!
Change starts within the self. And alam naman natin na ang kailangan talaga ng council natin ngayon ay yung mga pagbabago. At nakita ko in the 3 years that I've been with Lance kung gaano niya dinevelop yung sarili niya. And I'm sure na kung kaya niyang gawin yun sa sarili niya, kaya-kaya niyang gawin para sa ating konseho.
Si Lance Estenar, ang USC counselor ko, dahil alam ko na kaya niyang gawin lahat ng trabaho na ipapagawa ng USC sa kanya. But more than that, I know that he has the passion to serve and that this is what he wants to do. So he wants this bad enough, and I know that he will definitely be a good USC counselor.
Lance Estenar is my USC counselor because I believe he has the passion and the heart to serve. He actually served as FA chairperson during his freshman year, and right now he's the incumbent CAS SC counselor.